Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be looking at how to sell on Bybit P2P market. Following the questions and my comment sections, I've decided to make this video in response. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let's quickly dive into that without waste of time. Alright, you must first make sure for you to do this, you must have a verified Bybit account, and also you must also have a fund in your Bybit account. Okay, so the first thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself to your P2P market. But before doing that, you must make sure your fund is on funding wallet. It's in funding wallet. Click on your asset. If you click on your asset, you're going to transfer your fund from unified trading account to funding wallet. Make a choice of the coin you're moving, which is USDT. Click on mask. If you click on mask, you click on confirm. Alright, click on confirm. Now it's been successfully moved. The next thing I must do now is to locate my P2P market. If you can't find your P2P straight, click on more. Alright, but this is a P2P, so I'll click on the P2P market. And before doing all of this, make sure that you have already connected your account and others. Because without linking your account, the merchant will not be able to pay you. So what do I need to do now? Click on sell. Go straight to click on sell. If I click on sell, I'm going to go into filter whatsoever is within my range that I can sell to. Okay, so I have this person which is is buying from 50 to 23. All right, I'll have this person that is buying from 20. This person quantity is 20 in total. So I'm going to go into look at somebody that I can trade with. Okay, I will look for somebody that I can trade with. Okay, this person is Bank of China, so I'm going to go into look for Bank of Nigeria. This person is using Pay, Noble Bank. This person is cash in person. All right, it's cash in person. Bank of East Asia, cash in person. CTBC. So you must understand that if you don't if you are not in this particular country from these people, you will not be able to trade with them. So I'm doing this from Nigeria, so I'm going to look for somebody from my country that I can trade with. All these ones I'm saying are Bank of China, Mox Bank, and the others. So I will look for. So I've seen my match. I'm gonna go into click on sell. I will click on sell now and wait for him to pay me, right? So I'll wait for him to pay me now. The total time is going to take him to pay me is this. So I'll wait patiently, and I can also click on this place to contact him, which is the buyer. Let me see what he's saying. See, it doesn't pay Kobo. Okay, I'm active. Once you see my ads, okay, so I should drop my number. So I will drop my number right now. So I'll wait patiently for him to send my money. So after seeing a lot, then I can release the USDT to him. How much is he paying me? He's paying me 162, right? Okay, it's she, Kudirat. Kudirat is paying me 162. So I will wait patiently. So the moment I'm paid, I'll come to this place in order to what? To release the USDT to her. Okay. You can see that Kudirat has paid us. So she has paid us 162. So let's quickly go back there now to release her coin to her. We'll come over here to release our coin to her right now, since we have received our payment. So if eventually it's log you out, you come back to this place and navigate yourself to the top right hand side here where you see a notification sign. You come to this place, you can see the pending coin release. Come to this place. Okay, if you come to this place now, then you can come to release coin after you have confirmed, right? After you have confirmed you have releasing your money and your account balance has been added. Come back to this place to release our coin to her. So if you click on release the coin, you will be shown this, then you just need to take it out. Okay, under no circumstances, now Bybit is warning you, should you release the coin if the full payment has not been received. Okay, click on acknowledged. If you click on acknowledge on this place now, you're going to put your fund what is it called, your fund password before you can release the coin. Okay, so after you put the fund password, the coin will be released. Okay, then you click here to view assets and you discover that your asset is no longer there. It has been sold. Okay, so this is simply the way to sell on P2P market. So if you find value in this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and try to share the video so that a lot of people can gain value from it. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.